First, the steel strip is fed to the forming rollers, where it is bent to form the flange profile, and then rolled into a circular flange by the bending rollers. On this machine, the inner diameter is accurately controlled by adjusting the cylinder distance using tray wheels. The processing clearance is manually fine-tuned via rollers, and an encoder is used to automatically calculate the feeding length of the material. After the round flange forming machine, a round flange welding machine can be integrated as part of the production line. This machine is mainly used to complete the flange welding process using projection welding technology. The round flange punching machine serves as supporting equipment for the production line, responsible for the hole punching process of flanges. It can punch the hole simultaneously, which greatly improves punching efficiency compared with traditional manual punching or single